Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, whatever time of the day it is in your neighborhood. Welcome to Essential Piece of Life. My name is Lasagna. First of all, we gonna have to get some light up in here, fam. All right, so welcome all of you who are my new subscribers. Welcome to the fam. For all of you who are stopping by for the very first time, so very much for making me a part of your day. And for all of you who are returning, welcome back, you guys. Hey, so check this out. Um, First of all, I got a little help in here today. The music that you're hearing in the background is not mine. It belongs to somebody else. Hey, check this out. So today I'm finishing up some small gifts, and my daughter asked me if it was anything that she could do. I'm talking about I don't even know, but anyway, she been working with me today, and I appreciate that. My grandson been working with me today. I'm talking about nearby all hands on deck today, fam. So anyway, where are those candies? Doggone it. So anyway, I found these little gadgets at the Dollar Tree, and at the Dollar Tree. So they come in a 4 pack, and they have like a little thing on the top that a string ties in. It has a little tag to go to it. So what I did was I put my Ferrero Rochers in there, and it only fits 3. So every year Valentine's Day I always put candy. I put candy. Make some kind of I usually create something to put my candy in. Not to be distributing a whole lot of candy. So anyway, my Ferrero Rochers fit right inside here, 3 of them, and very comfortably in there. And I have every intentions of tying a bow right there, putting a bow right there. So anyway, that is that. I wanted to share with you guys. I was putting those together a couple of days ago, Monday, and I didn't make a video on Monday. So, first of all, let me show you this one gift basket that I'm working on. These are some boxes that I got. They were actually Christmas boxes that I got. So what I'm going to be doing with these is I'm going to be taking them apart. And see, here's that little desiccant pack. I'm just going to throw it right in here. I've been putting them inside of my basket so that when I go out, I don't have that moisture build up in my bag. So I used the desiccant pack, and I just found one in here and just threw it in there. So this is what I'm gonna be doing with this. Just taking the bottom part of this box, not the top part. We'll do something else with that. We're gonna just take the bottom part of it. I got these little bears. We're just gonna be plopping his little butt right on in here. Hold on, let me get you down a little bit. Um, So we're just gonna be plopping his little butt right on down in there. And remember, you guys, I was telling you about I have more of these, so I'm gonna be plopping that down right on the side of there, okay? And fam, look, that is it. So the only other thing that I would want to do with that is just throw that little piece of candy right there on the side, and that's gonna be the end of that, fam. Just a little small basket. Actually 2 items, but I guess you can say 3 items, so that'll be that, right? And so I got 6 of those to do, right? And so I'm just gonna slide this over here. Slide this over here. Okay, so that's gonna be that. And so for this one, all right, so I'm not gonna take this one apart to show you. I'm just gonna put another one together for you because I got 6 of these to do as well. Okay. All right. So we have one of those red bowls that I was showing you in a previous video, and we also have our felt sheets that we're gonna be using as well. This is gonna take only 4 of these and 6 of those other little bitty ones. So this is also a 3-item basket, right? So I'm gonna take these little felt tips, these felt sheets, and I'm gonna put them, line them up where they're crisscrossing each other like this, centered with each other like that, and I'm gonna put that down in there like that. Okay. Also, let's Still, you got them sheets over there, or do I have them over here?
What sheets?
Those paper sheets. Oh, give me that. Thanks.
Where do I put these? Where do you want me to put them?
Just stack on top of each other right there. That's fine. All right, my baby working on the next thing over there. All right, so I'm gonna take one of my pieces of packing paper, and it's I only need one. So I put it down in there, and then I have my house shoes, right? So I got these shoe charms also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put these shoe charms on the shoes. Oh, that reminds me, I need to wrap up those speakers too. I got those shoe charms for those shoes for the speakers. So we just gonna take these off, these shoe charms, and put them onto these shoes. Now I call these house shoes, but I'm telling you, they can be worn just about anywhere. Okay. All right. So let me put them on there. Now, I'm going to turn these shoe charms where they're pretty much upside down. They can move them whatever way they want. But the way that I'm going to place them inside of this basket, I need them to be facing upwards or towards the toe. All right? Because I'm going to put these back to back. They're going to be back to back like this. These shoes. All right. That goes that way. That goes that way. Now, alright, so this gonna be this way, and that's gonna be that way, and this gonna be on the back of there. Y'all see what I'm doing? No, y'all don't see what I'm doing. Come on around here, then, so you can see. Alright, so what I did was place my shoes. Back to back like this. Okay, and they're kind of sort of leaning one way and leaning the other. And then I'm gonna also be using the phone stand from Dollar Tree, and this is gonna be on the back side of that. Okay. As a matter of fact, alright, so that's just sitting up too much. I just realized I don't need that paper. Hold on. Alright. So this one go down in there like this. Okay. That's better. So, yes. And then I got a little fry right there. And we're going to take that little tag off. You see that? So all I did was put the shoes in there backwards. Or the backs facing each other. And so on one side, I got the French fry. And on the other side, I got the little stand. Okay? And the little stand just gonna go in there just like that. Okay? Let's see. Yeah. And that's gonna go in there just like that, and that's that gift. Okay? I'm gonna put some shred in there, maybe. So anyway, that's those two gifts. That's that gift. And what my baby was working on earlier today was these gifts. And inside of here is a wallet or wristlet, and those Polo perfume that we got months ago. And then that is a rose bear. Oh, it's a single rose with a bear on it. Okay, so that is another little small gift that we was working on. And they have all those different perfumes. So today I am working on getting all this stuff off my table because I'm working on my robes next. And I need to stage these robes so I can get rid of them. I got 6. I got 4 and 4 is 8. And 6, I got 14 robes that I need to put together. So I got to get all this other stuff off my table. And what my baby's working on, you see that? Look at you picking it up by the top. So, that's all of them.
Yep.
That's nice. Okay, so America the Beautiful. Okay, so I have some 3-wick candles that have the flag on it. Let me see the one with the popsicle. That one that's underneath there. He's so funny. And then there's one with the popsicle, and fam, they smell so good. So what I decided to do was take and I glue dot them to the tray. That's a star tray. Okay, just glue dot them to the star tray, and then I'm going to put on top of there a bouquet with red, white, and blue flowers with the flag that's hanging is attached to the bouquet. So I'm gonna make a floral arrangement on top of here. On my last Temu haul that I showed you guys, I got those little circle pieces of foam, and they're just small enough to put on here. And so I have a dozen of these, and I'm going to go ahead and put that floral arrangement on here, and also put a bear on top of here with the floral arrangement and the flag. So that's what this is going to be. So stay tuned. I may put up a short on that when I'm finished, but this right here is the fragrance warm apple pie, and the other one is sorbet or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, fam. So that's that. So I got 10 of one. I got 10 of the other. That's 20, and then I got 6 of these, and then I have 6 of the other ones. So that's 12. So 32 little gifts. I'm trying to get off the table today and wrap it up and call it a day. Now, when I wrap this up, this is gonna, of course, smush this up a little bit. These shoes, but because they're hard, they're not going too many places, right? So I gotta take that tag off of there. But I just thought it was cute, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, fam.